It's great to be here, isn't it? Yeah. I can see the audience now. All right, so on the show, we test our taste buds and yada, yada, yada. We know the drill. All right, let's bring in our special guest, shall we? Give it up for Misty Mysterious. Hello, Misty. Hello. Nice to meet you. Have a seat, have a seat. So, Misty, tell us about yourself.
As you may know, I am a magician. Oops, not unstable. Anyways, I am a magician, and you might have seen my shows before, have you?
Yes, I have, actually.
I've been on many TV shows. I've won a lot of awards for my magic tricks and such.
Well, that's great. So do you know what we do here on this Taste Tester show?
Actually, no, I've not watched them before.
Really?
Yes, my friends are always in watching it, but I'm always outside doing
what we do here is we taste test certain candies. Well, I don't know which ones we taste, but once we get to the kitchen, we get a candy and we taste it. So,
hence the name.
Taste testers. So, anything you gotta say before we go?
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm very excited to be here.
Oh, and I forgot to ask. Is there anything that you dislike or like about certain candies?
Well, I really, dark chocolate, kind of dislike that. The milk chocolate.
Is good, right?
So-and-so.
So.
White chocolate, now that's a boomerang for me.
Oh.
Boomerang.
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Kitchen!
Okay, Misty, here's our kitchen. Misty? Hey, get over here. Anyways, here's our kitchen. That's very nice. Just take a look at it.
Okay, let's get to this.
Yeah. Anyways,
Hungry.
Here, bring up the specimen, yeah.
Specimen.
What we have is Pocky.
Specimen.
Yeah, specimen Pocky. Or Pocky. How do you say? Yeah, Pocky. And right there it says chocolate cream covered biscuit sticks. Sorry. And here on the back it says product of Japan.
Japanese.
And whoa, 200. Anyways, so it's already open because our staff helped us open it. So let's take out the package and see what we got here. All right. So here's the package.
Yummy.
Pocky chocolate.
So
that's what it says. Yeah, white and silver. Very nice.
It has the red box.
Yeah, so it's already open. And there you have the Pocky sticks.
They're quite skinny.
Is this what? Okay, no, it's not. Anyways, I was just checking because maybe the staff replaced it or something. So here is one. There you go, Misty. Take it.
Looks delicious.
So there's chocolate, and then on the little
a pretzel biscuit kind of?
Yeah, a biscuit. You need to go down. We can't see it there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So give it a taste and let us just taste it.
Itadakimasu. Delicious. What?
It sounds very crunchy.
Let me taste again.
Yeah. Can you hear the crunch?
Hope you could.
So what does that taste like?
It tastes like yen-yen, if you have ever tried.
Oh yes, yen-yens. Yeah, those little
Animal.
with animal things on it. And you dip in chocolate, and so they basically taste like yen-yens. You're saying? Okay.
But yen-yens are more like fatter.
Yeah, they're more fatter. So
and then in the box of the yen-yens, they come in different slots.
Yeah, they do. And then there's one slot for a chocolate and whatnot. But we're not talking about that right now.
I'll take another one.
Okay. Well, anyways, how much do you rate these Pockies?
4 stars.
How much? 4 stars? 4? For these Pockies? Okay. Well, how much do you rate yen-yens?
5.
5. And
a whole handful of yen-yens.
Okay.
Yen-yen fingers.
Anyways,
yen-yens.
If you guys want to purchase this item, Pockies, usually you can find it at Walmart, and we got it for $1, right? Yes, $1.
Or generally 98 cents.
98 cents, but pretty much comes to $1.
Yeah.
Might be different. It might be different prices everywhere else, but here it was about $1. So she gives it a 4.
You might give it a 5, or
yeah, you might give it a 5 or maybe even a 0. So I just say that you should just try this out, right?
Yeah. Are you gonna try one?
Later.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you later, and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. And chocolate cream covered biscuit. Yeah.
Specimen.
Specimen. Yeah. Hi. Drill, bring out the specimen.
Is that the specimen?
No! Get out of the way! Oh, you monkey! Specimen! My belly! Just take a look. Just look at it. Nice. Ah, don't laugh, you! What the? Whoa! What the heck are you doing?